How well do you know the secret pockets of paradise scattered across the sun-kissed terrains of Arizona? Have you ever heard of the hidden RV sites that offer a unique blend of tranquility, adventure, and breathtaking scenery? Today we're going to unravel the top 5 hidden gem RV sites in Arizona. Buckle up and prepare for an exciting journey. Starting our countdown at number 5, we find ourselves in the heart of the wilderness at the enchanting Oak Creek Canyon. Nestled between the mesmerizing red rock formations of Sedona and Flagstaff, this RV site offers an idyllic retreat for those seeking solitude amidst nature. The sound of the babbling creek, the whispering wind, and the rustling leaves create a symphony that soothes the soul. At number 4, we have the captivating Fool Hollow Lake Recreation Area. This gem, hidden in the Apache Sitgreaves National Forest, is a haven for water enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. Imagine waking up to the serene sight of a placid lake glistening under the morning sun and the distant call of a loon echoing across the water. We're halfway through our countdown, and at number 3 we have the White Tank Mountain Regional Park. This RV site is a treasure trove of monumental granite mountains, radiant wildflowers, and intriguing petroglyphs carved into the rocks by ancient civilizations. Here, each sunrise brings a new day of exploration, and each sunset paints a masterpiece on the canvas of the sky. At the second spot, we discover the tranquil Cattail Cove State Park. Tucked away on the shores of Lake Havasu, this RV site offers exquisite views of the sparkling lake and the surrounding mountains. Whether you enjoy fishing, hiking, or simply sitting by the water, this site offers a perfect blend of relaxation and recreation. And now to the grand reveal of our number 1 hidden gem RV site in Arizona, the majestic North Rim of the Grand Canyon. Few places on Earth can match the awe-inspiring beauty of this natural wonder. This lesser-known site offers an intimate, peaceful experience far from the madding crowd. With each passing moment, the canyon changes its hues, creating a vivid palette of colors that leaves one spellbound. So there you have it, the top 5 hidden gem RV sites in Arizona. Each of these sites offers a unique experience, a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle and reconnect with nature, and an opportunity to create unforgettable memories. So why wait? Pack your bags, rev up your RV, and set off on an adventure to these hidden gems of Arizona. After all, the road less traveled often leads to the most enchanting destinations.